Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, I am in a spa department. If you get selected on a cruise ship in a spa department, so this is the place you're going to work. And it hardly matters which cruise ship you are in. It actually going to be like this. So this is a reception area. So this is the spa department, and if you get selected as a hair specialist, so I'll take you to the room. I'll show you. So this room belongs to the hair specialist. So what all you going to get here? You can get a barber chair. So what is the barber chair gonna do? If you are a hair specialist, you're going to cut the hair. So this is the place. You have a mirror, small chairs. You can see over here there is a massage chair also. You can see at this side. This is the massage chair. You can see the remote over here. There's a nice massage machine inside. There's a foot spa here. You can do manicure, pedicure, whatever you say. I have no idea about it, but I think I have said it rightly. Pedicure, manicure, something like that. And here you can do your nails and all. Here you can wash your hair. So if you're working as a hair specialist, so this is the room which you're going to work. Now I'll take you to some other room. If you're working as a masseuse, you're going to work in that room. Come. So that room is called on Cordelia Cruises treatment room. You can see this treatment room. But right now I think there is a guest over there. So I'll take you some other room. So this is the room where you're going to work as a masseuse. Passenger will be laying down and you're going to give that passenger a nice massage. So they have different rooms like this. They have another treatment room over here. I'll take you. There's another treatment room over here. And there is one more here. You can see. There's more too. But there is one couple treatment room also. So this is the couple room. If two people want to take massage together, so this is the room. You can see two bed with a shower facility. You can see shower over here. So nicely take a massage and go for the shower. And what else they have? They have a nice sitting area. Oh, I love that. They have some lemonades also. I'm going to taste that right now. Let me check whether it's tasty or not. Heaven. Nice. I'll tell my friend also to drink. So this is the way you can sit nicely, relax, and you can see the view of a open desk. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You know, Cruising with Goldy. I'm coming up with more video on a Cordelia Cruises. So I'll see you then. Bye.